enjoying your yummy snack, Ellie? We got carrots and apples and cheese and little chips. Are they yummy?
Yep.
Are they so good? So for our frozen yogurt pops, we do frozen mangoes, frozen blueberries, coconut milk. It's one of our favorite milks to use in smoothies. We use a 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed, a tablespoon of moringa powder, and a little bit of maple syrup for sweetening. So it's nice and healthy and the kids love it. What are you guys doing?
I need to get the drop out of the pool.
Looks like you're having fun.
Where's this table? I can grab.
You grab yourself a giraffe.
Yep. Or like that. Or you can activate. Do herons eat fish?
Yes, they do eat fish.
Activate. Activate squid power.
I like your
Activate
lion.
squid power.
You're a squid.
Power.
Wow.
Now I can.
You see all the birds, Ellie? What other colors are you putting on there, Ellie?
I'm changing yellow brown.
Yeah.
It could be a little. I'm black.
You like black? That's pretty neat to put on paint, isn't it?
Hey, that's black yellow. I gotta go get my hammer. Here's my hammer. How do you do it? It's a waterfall.
What'd you find, Ellie?
Right through and get my rocks back. Get my rocks back.
Yeah. Did you find the pretty seashell?
There we go.
It still's got ice in it. That feels nice and cooling.